How to scan a document in Notes on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Notes application on your phone. The Notes app on iPhone is a versatile tool for capturing and organizing information. It allows users to create various types of notes, including checklists, text-based notes, and those with multimedia like images, sketches, and even scanned documents. Once you're here, you can view all your Notes folders. Open any folder from here. You can view all the notes in this folder. If you want to create a new note, then tap on the New Note icon at the bottom right corner. Over here, go to the bottom panel and tap on the attachment icon. Select Scan Documents. Position the document in view on this screen and then tap on the Capture button to scan it. Once you're done, tap on Keep Scan below. Then, tap on Save. Following these steps, you can easily scan a document in Notes on iPhone.